Amathathu avumela umengameli uCyril Ramaphosa bona khona ukukhandela umengameli walokhu uJacob Zuma ukuthi angarageli phambili nehlelo lokuthi atjhutjhiselwe ngeqadi.
The application is urgent and the ordinary forms and service provided for in the Uniform Rules of Court are dispensed with. 2. Pending the final determination of Part B, the first respondent is interdicted from taking any further steps to give effect to the nolli prosequi certificates of 21 November 2022.
Umengameli ye-Ekhotho ephakemeko afaka isibawo sokuthi ikhotho ephakemeko ikhandela umengameli walokhu abona ngasola mhloma ngamadakfara. Lokho-ke kumenza bona ngasayokuvela phambi kwekhotho ngomhla ka-19 kuTjhirhweni njengoba idakfara beyijuyile. Ikhotho ivumelene nesiphakamiso sikamengameli sokuthi kuzokuthunana nakangadoselwa ekhotho ezobulelesi madakfara angakhambisani nomthetho-sisekelo.
It was argued that the harm of appearing in a criminal court on the 19th of January was not material. This contention misses the point. The harm lies not in the temporary inconvenience of physically attending a hearing, if only for a formal postponement. The critical harm concerns a fundamentally, constitutionally guaranteed right to personal freedom. That value, which is foundational to our constitutional order, may never be treated lightly.
Usomkhulumi weJacob Zuma Foundation umzwanele manye uthi sahlulelwesi sihle ebantwini abakhethekileko kwaphela.
The foundation is vindicated in that we had already treated with suspicion the fact that the judiciary made its own call to have a full bench instead of one judge. So now we see the results of that suspicion that we've actually been vindicated.
I-office kamengameli Samukelwe isahlulelo beyatsho nokuthi siqinisekisa into umengameli aphikisana nayo esibaweni sakhe. Ikhotho ithi isichema samagcwetha kamengameli uRamaphosa kunye nowakamengameli walokhu uZuma fuza ahlangane malungana nokusombulula ingcenye uB yesibawo sikaRamaphosa.
Kanti sithebona sizwakale lezi ndaba zesahlulelo sekhotho ephakemeko eJwanisbhege ngaleli cala eliphakathi kwakamengameli uRamaphosa nomengameli walokhu uZuma inhlangano zepolitiki zazwakalisa amazizo wazo.
Former President Jacob Zuma must be stopped with his selfish and destructive court cases against President Ramaphosa. He is just a disgrace.
We were not expecting a different outcome in the first place because it has always been the norm that whenever President Cyril Ramaphosa goes to court, he's definitely going to succeed. Therefore, we're not surprised by this judgment.
The judgment gives credence to the long-held view by many South Africans that our justice system is so inconsistent it can no longer be trusted.
It's quite clear that former President Zuma's private prosecution of President Ramaphosa is politically motivated and has little to no sound legal basis. The infighting within the ruling party, which this is part of, causes instability in South Africa and is bad for the country.